So if I give it A and B, है ना, you can see it here, है ना. This is the case for A equal to B, है ना. So this circuit is both inputs are equal, 0 0. So your A equal to B output is fired up, है ना. The LED is on, है ना, for A equal to B. Similarly, if I do 1 and 1, है ना, if I do 1 and 1, same output, है ना. Okay. Now if I do 1 0, so now A is greater than B. So this case is fine. Okay. And the last case, now A is 0 and B is 1. So A is clearly less than B. So this LED is on. Okay. So this is a very simple circuit. Hai na? You can do it on your own. Okay. But first let me tell you about this 2-bit comparator also. Hai na? In 2-bit comparator, 2 bits are compared simultaneously. Now you can see there are 4 inputs, hai na? 4 input combinations. Okay. Either you can compare 0 0 hai na, with 0 0 like this. Okay. Now we are not comparing this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Not like that. We are comparing these 2 bits simultaneously with these 2 bits. है ना? That's why he has differentiated these bits as A and B. है ना? A and B. Because the A, है ना, the prefix is same for both the bits and this prefix is same for both the bits. है ना? Only the suffix is changing from 1 to 0, from 1 to 0. So what he's doing is he's comparing these 2 bits with these 2 bits. So what you have to do, you have to compare now 0 0 with 0 0. 0 0 in binary is 0 and 0 0 in binary is again 0. So this is clearly the case of A equal to B. So this output is 1, the rest are 0. And again, you can see output combinations are only, possible output combinations are only 3. Okay. Now look at the other case. 0 0 is compared with 0 1. Now 0 0 in binary is 0 and 0 1 is 1. So clearly A is less than B. This is the case of A less than B. So this output is 1 and the rest of the outputs are 0. Similarly, you can see now we compare 0 1 with 0 0. Okay, this is the case of A greater than B because 0 1 is 1 and 0 0 is 0. So this is the case of A greater than B. Okay. Now 1 1. Take the case of 1 1. 1 1 in binary is 3 and 0 0 in binary is 0. So A is clearly greater than B. Okay. So you can convert it into your equivalent decimal number and then compare. Okay. But you should be now able to do it in the binary way itself. Okay. Because we have came so far, you must be able to do it. Okay. So you can either convert it or you can do it straight away. So what you have to do is 1 1 is like 3. You are comparing it with 0. So this is the case of A greater than B. Like this you can do it. Okay. You can see from here 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 3. You can see this 1 1 is 3 equivalent to 3. So this is the case of A less than B. Okay. So he has done it in that way. So now what you have to do is you have to derive the Boolean expressions for these 3 outputs, A less than B, A equal to B, and A greater than B. Okay. So I'm leaving it up to you. You can do it. Will you be able to do it, everyone? आप कर सकते हो ये? ओके, गो अहेड. हाँ जी राहुल बोलिए.
सर वही बताए थे कि सर ट्राई करेंगे उसको.
हाँ प्लीज ट्राई इट, है ना, ट्राई कीजिए. ठीक है, and come up with your own solutions. Okay, but है ना, because you know the solution should be unique, है ना, अलग solution नहीं होगा किसी का, सभी के same होने चाहिए. Okay,
ओके सर.
है ना, reduce it to the minimum using K maps, है ना, use K maps, don't use boolean, है ना, boolean techniques for reduction. Use with the K map, it is easy and fast way. Okay, so first go ahead with A less than B, draw a K map, है ना, and jot down your outputs for your corresponding inputs, है ना. Okay, fill the boxes and reduce it. Okay, so you have to draw a K map. First draw it for A less than B. Now do it according to the terminology he has used for inputs and output. Okay, the labels should not be changed. So use A1 A0 and B1 B0. So you can either do A1 A0, B1 B0 here, or you can do opposite also. You can also do A1 A0 and B1 B0. You can do it in either way, है ना. You can write B1 B0 here also, है ना. Only the terminology will change here, है ना. The sequence of numbers will change here. So because we are starting from this side, A1 A0 B1 B0, है ना. You can see it here. So we are starting from A1 A0 to B1 B0. So the sequence is like this. This is 0 0. This is 0 1. This is 1 1. And this is 1 0. And since we are starting from here, so this is 0 0 0 0. This is 0 0 0 1. So this is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. And so on. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So now note down the outputs. What are the outputs? The outputs are for A less than B, it is 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3, it is 1. So note it down. 1, 2, and 3 is 1. 4, 5, it is 0. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, it is 0. 6, 7, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are 1. 8, 9, 10, and then 11 is 1. Rest are 0. So 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is your K map for A less than B. Now the pairs are this, this, okay, and this alone. Okay. So you will tell me that I can do it alone, or should I make this like this? Should I pair it like this? Okay. So for A less than B, the expression is this. So किसी ने किया ये?
यस सर,
आ गया आपका?
यस सर, एक्सप्रेशन रिड्यूस्ड वाला आया है
हाँ जी, क्या क्या आया? टेल मी.
सर. A1 बार B1,
या
A1 बार B1
या A1 बार B1
प्लस A1 बार A0 बार B0.
A0 बार,
यस सर, A1 बार A0 बार B0
हाँ ओके,
और प्लस A0 बार B1
हाँ.
B0.
B1 B0. Okay, so you can see it here also. Okay, this is your final expression, है ना? But do go through this process. Okay, do it like this, है ना? Then is for your own practice. Okay, do it like this, है ना? Draw a K map, है ना? Place the outputs, relevant outputs in their relevant boxes, and reduce it like this. Okay. So now you can see, है ना? If you have computed this, है ना, you will face no difficulty in doing this. Okay. So the expression for A equal to B is A0 XOR X NOR B0 and A1 X NOR B1. है ना? So this is the expression for your A equal to B, and for A greater than B, this is your final expression. Okay. So now you can see he has used 4 lines, 4 input lines, and he has also inverted those lines. So there are 8 sequence of lines, input lines, and he had now tapped those lines to create a circuit diagram. So he has used AND gates and OR gates. He has also used XNOR. XNOR is also used, and again AND gates and OR gates. So now you have calculated A less than B. You can see A less than B is A1 bar B1. So he has tapped A1 bar. You can see A1 bar here. This is A1 bar. Okay, and this is B1. A1 bar B1. First output is this. Next is A0 bar B1 B0. Now, one thing you will notice here, he has used 3 input AND gates. Okay. So the task for you is now you have to realize this circuit, and you have to realize this circuit by using only 2 input gates. Okay. Here he has used 3 input AND gates. Okay, but you should also try, and you should also go ahead and try it by using 2 input AND gates only. Because till now we have only studied 2 input AND gates. You should try it that way also. If you face difficulty, ask me, but try to do it with 2 input AND gates So here he has used 3 input AND gates. You can see A0 bar, B1, B0. He has tapped A0 bar, B1, and this is B0. Okay, so he has fed this to AND gate, and similarly the last for A1 bar, A0 bar, B0. Okay, third is for A0 bar. Sorry, A0 bar is this, A1 bar, and this is B0. Okay, and finally this is fed to your OR gate. So your output will be a logical sum of these, logical OR. So is this understood?
Yes, sir.
And in the end, he has also shown some applications of these comparator circuits, where you can use in temperature control and these things, create the reference values. So basically, wherever there is need of comparison, whether it is temperature or any position, these circuits are used. Comparator also used to process controllers and for servo motor controls. This you will realize in later on in your courses. When you do the more advanced courses, you will use these circuits as comparators. Okay, to compare positions, temperatures, and all sort of things. You will use these circuits. So is this clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't have any doubt, then go ahead and do the simulation part. Okay. First do the 1-bit comparator, verify the circuit. Go ahead, open it and verify it. Okay, so you can see, inverter IC is used, AND gate IC is used, and one NOR gate. So we've already seen 2 inverters are used in the circuit. There are 2 inverters. Okay, 2 AND gates and 1 NOR gate. So you can clearly see 2 AND gates are kept untouched here. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4 inverter circuits are also untouched, and here 3 NOR gates are untouched. Okay, so he is using 2 AND gates, 2 inverters, 2 NOT gates, or 1 NOR gate. So first power on the circuit, switch on the supply, and you can see the first case is already verified by just switching on the supply, because A and B are both equal, both are on 0 0 state. And now go ahead and verify all the other possible cases.
So, Apurv, you can take attendance and they can do it on their own then.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So everyone, do you have any doubt finally? Okay, I am asked for the last time.
No, sir.
Then I will leave it up to you. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask.
सर वो जो 1-bit कंपैरेटर में था ना सर,
हाँ जी
सर उसमें सर आपने ना मतलब जो A is greater than B और ए इज लेस देन बी का जो सर्किट बनाया था ना, मतलब जो सर्किट में ए इज लेस देन बी और ए ग्रेटर देन बी को एक्सोर गेट में जब आपने सर उसका दोनों का इनपुट डाल दिया था तो फिर ए इक्वल टू बी आ गया था सर, वो कैसे आया था वो बता दीजिए।
1 बिट कंपैरेटर में।
हाँ सर, उसका सर्किट आपने लॉजिसिम पे बनाया था ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
हाँ
दिस
सर,
सर्किट।
यस सर।
हाँ जी।
सर इस सर्किट में बताइए कि सर ये जो बी ए बार है और ए बी बार को सर आपने एक्सोर गेट में कैसे डाला है, ए इक्वल टू बी मतलब प्राप्त हो इसको।
इसमें कैसे डाला है?
हाँ
यू सी, यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे क्या है, यू कैन सी ए बार बी है ना,
यस सर,
प्लस ए बी बार है ना।
यस सर।
अगर मैं इसको और गेट में दे देता तो क्या होता मेरे पास, किस गेट का एक्सप्रेशन आता मेरे पास?
सर जो ये पहले से ही तो एक्सोर गेट का है ना सर ये।
ठीक है, लेट मी शो यू इन दिस वे। ठीक है, आई एम रिमूविंग दिस फॉर द टाइम सेक। ओके, ये आपको पता लग गया, ए बी बार आ गया, बी ए बार आ गया,
यस सर।
है ना। ओके, तो ए इक्वल टू बी का एक्सप्रेशन क्या था मेरे को बताओ।
सर ए बार बी
सर ए बी प्लस ए बार बी बार,
विच इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ विच गेट?
सर ए इक्वल टू बी।
नहीं 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 नहीं, मतलब विच इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ विच गेट। ये किसी गेट का एक्सप्रेशन भी होता है। टेल मी विच गेट इज इट?
XNOR.
सर एक्सनॉर,
एक्स नॉर का,
एक्सनॉर, यस सर।
एक्स नॉर का, है ना। ए पी
Yes,
ए
sir.
बी प्लस ए बार बी बार इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एक्स नॉर गेट, है ना। सो अगर मैं यहाँ पे बी ए बार है ना, ये ए बार बी है और ये ए बी बार है, इसको सिंपल और कर दूं तो क्या होगा, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? कैन एनीवन टेल इट?
XOR.
एक्सॉर मिलेगा, है ना।
यस सर, यस सर।
ठीक है, अगर मैं सिंपली इसको और कर दूं तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा, किस चीज का एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा?
एक्सोर का।
बट हमारा जो आउटपुट था वो किस एक्सप्रेशन में था?
XNOR.
XNOR is what? Simply the inverted version of XOR.
XOR gate.
ठीक है, अब समझ में आया आपको why ये used XNOR? सॉरी, NOR gate.
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो सिंपली अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखूं, इफ आई राइट इट लाइक दिस, कि अगर आपका जो पहले जो आउटपुट आए वो क्या थे आपके पास, ए बार बी, है ना, जो कि केस था किसका, ए लेस देन बी का और ए ग्रेटर देन बी का।
सर बी ए जो लेस देन बी,
ए लेस देन बी का, ठीक है। सिमिलरली ए ग्रेटर देन बी का क्या था,
ए
ए बी बार, है ना। ठीक है,
Yes,
अब इन दोनों का मैंने क्या किया था, नॉर किया था, तो नॉर के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा, पहले प्लस साइन आएगा और उसके ऊपर एक और फुल बार आ जाएगा, है ना। ठीक है, विच इज जस्ट द नॉट ऑपरेशन ऑफ योर एक्सॉर गेट, है ना। एक्सॉर गेट को हमने क्या किया, नॉट कर दिया, है ना, इन्वर्ट कर दिया, विच इज नथिंग बट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर एक्स नॉर गेट, है ना। सो ये डाउट क्लियर हुआ?
यस सर।
ठीक है, यही डाउट था ना आपका कि कोई और डाउट था?
सर यही था सर, मैं मतलब ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि उसमें जैसे आपने वो वाला गेट कैसे लेके आया, तो इसीलिए सर आपने सही
कौन सा वाला गेट, कौन सा वाला गेट?
सर ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी और ए इज लेस देन बी, दोनों के आउटपुट आपने जो और ए इक्वल टू बी मतलब प्राप्त करने के लिए तो बीच में जो गेट लगाया वो कैसे आपने डिसाइड किया, वो पूछ रहा था ना, तो वही सर आपने बता दिया।
कौन सा गेट, ये वाला?
हाँ जी सर, ये वाला गेट कैसे आया था ये
ये कौन सा वाला?
सर ये वाला जो गेट है
दिस
ना,
इज
ये
और गेट।
नहीं, ये जो यही एक्सनोर जो आया है।
नहीं, उसका डाउट क्लियर हो गया ना आपका?
यस मैम, हो गया।
ठीक है।
हो गया क्लियर?
हाँ।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हैं गेट ये सारे, ये दिस इज द गेट पैनल, है ना, पैनल फॉर गेट्स, यहाँ से आप निकालते हो ना, है ना। ओके, एंड दिस सर्किट इज ड्रॉन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन, है ना। ठीक है, सो और किसी का कोई डाउट? ठीक है, इफ देयर इज नो डाउट, है ना, देन ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम डू द सिमुलेशन पार्ट, है ना, फॉर बोथ द सर्किट्स, 1-bit comparator and 2-bit comparator. Okay, and also prepare your files side by side. Okay, so first let me take screenshots. Okay, मैम छोड़ दूं फिर?
हाँ ठीक है, ओके बाय।
Okay, so you can leave the class now. Okay, do the simulation part also. Okay,
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you, thank you, goodbye.